How to remove supervision on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to remove supervision on Instagram, either the teens or the supervising parents can initiate the process, and here's how you can do it. For that, open Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram. And once you log into your account, if a parent is initiating this process, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon, then tap on this three line icon. Inside settings and activities, scroll below, then you'll be able to find Family Center, tap onto it, and just like so you want to select the account you supervise, and just like so you'll then be able to see a remove option at your top right corner. Just like so you want to go ahead and tap on remove supervision and then tap on remove again. And just like so the supervision ends immediately upon removal. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.